How to create talking avatar from one image in Heygen. So first, go to your account and then you can just click on create or avatar here at the left side. Click on that and then click on create new. And then click on start from a photo. And then click on upload photo. Okay, so you can see the photo requirements here at the bottom. So just look at this, read this, so you know what kind of photos that you need to upload here and what's acceptable. And you can see the kind of photos here as well. And you can see the size here as well. So once you're here, you can just click on select photos and then just upload your photo here. So I'm just going to upload mine here and then click on upload. Okay, now you just need to wait for it. So you can just click on new avatar here and then add the name for your avatar. So I'm just going to name this test girl and then choose the age, okay, gender, the ethnicity, and then just check this and then click on continue. Okay, now here you can begin adding the voice for the avatar. So I'm just going to click on this one and then click on next. Okay, now as you can see, now if you want to create a video with this avatar, you can just hover your mouse over it, click on the create video with this avatar. Now here, let's say I'm going to type in here hello there, and then you can just click on render scene. Oh wait, so as you can see, I can't really show you how I make this avatar speak since I don't have a premium version of this. So once you're here, you can just click on render scene just to see how your avatar would look like while talking with your script. Alright, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.